Today I'm sharing a 7x7 album that I created for a Christmas gift from my daughter and her boyfriend. This is a 7x7 Creative Memories album, and we went to Disney World back in September, so these are all the pictures, well, not all the pictures, but a selection of pictures featuring them. Welcome back to Emily's Paper Caper, where you'll find inspiration to scrap your stash and get some pages done. I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of the video ideas. So I'm flipping through this album and I'm pointing out along the way elements that I found in a Disney World kit that I found on Etsy. It's a wonderful kit, and there are a set of 4 kits, one for each park. At the end of this video, I will flip through the elements that are left over in the kit. There are lots of elements left, and I'm looking forward to using these as I scrapbook the rest of our Disney vacation photos. There's so much in this kit that it is just perfect for embellishing your pages. The nice thing about a smaller album like this is that you can pick a photo for each page and then have fun adding embellishments. So that's the book, and now I want to show you this Disney scrapping kit. First, Animal Kingdom. There are a lot of elements left, and we didn't do all the activities that are represented in these kits, but we did a lot of them, and I will save the ones that we didn't do for a future trip, because we'll probably hit things in the parks that we missed this time. We'll do it again on another trip. So there's a variety of embellishments. These little medallions for each park are really cute. I think I'll use those with a circle punch. There are some embossed die cuts and a few layered die cuts. That one says Kilimanjaro Safari. This die cut pops out and you can use the negative space. This is going to be really fun on a couple different pages. There were a lot of dinosaurs at Animal Kingdom, and we really enjoyed the dinosaur ride, so I'll be using these. Of course, the Tree of Life is iconic. I did not go on the Everest roller coaster, but my older daughter and her boyfriend did, so that will be cute on that page. And then there's like a variety of matte stacks in here, matte papers. Oh, the pressed pennies. We did a lot of the pressed penny machines. Not all of them, of course, but I'll be using that pressed penny paper for sure. So that's the Animal Kingdom kit, or what's left after I did that 7x7 album. Let's look at the next kit now. This one is for Epcot. So the Frozen and Soarin' rides are at Epcot. We loved the Mexico Pavilion and the ride there. We also saw Turtle Talk. This represents the World Showcase. I like how in these kits she has some black and white things that we can color in. And there's the medallions for Epcot. I really like these a lot. The tram. Nemo. Finding Nemo ride. Spaceship Earth. There's from Turtle Talk and Figment. Frozen Ever After, we loved that ride. It was really neat. There's Olaf. He's our favorite. Eiffel Tower. We met Anna and Elsa. They were amazing. And then there's just a variety of the matte papers, photo mats, and you can cut these and use them as embellishments. You could use them as a photo mat, but I think they're perfect for embellishing pages. And I hope if you flip through the album with me again, if you watch this video a second time, I'm sure you'll be able to pull out some of the, most of the embellishments in that album are from this kit. So now we're looking at the kit for Hollywood Studios, and there's a lot of Star Wars elements here, which we absolutely loved going to the Star Wars attractions. My favorite was meeting Darth Vader. He was so scary. There's the medallions for Hollywood Studio. Speaking of Darth Vader, there he is with Mickey ears. We took quite a few pictures at the Star Wars attractions, and I'm looking forward to using these die cuts. We met BB-8 and Darth Vader. Here's a cute Jessie. We really loved the Toy Story area. And we also got to see the Raiders of the Lost Ark live show. It's getting ready to close. It may have closed now, but it ran for over 20 years, so we were excited to get to see that. And then here's the matte papers that are included in the Hollywood Studios kit. Really neat stuff. Okay, there's just one more kit left, and this is going to be for Disney World. So I just kind of want to organize things and keep these kits together. So, okay, so here is Walt Disney World's kit. One of the first things we did was go to the Laugh Factory. Here are the medallions and a couple of coloring cards. I'm going to have fun adding some color to those. There's a nice title for each of the sections of the park: Frontierland, Adventureland. There's a die cut of the iconic statue of Walt with Mickey. And this is a really cool die cut with, you can use the negative space. We went to Pirates of the Caribbean, of course, and there's Tinkerbell, Fantasyland, Cinderella's castle. Well, that's not the castle, that's Cinderella and Prince Charming. Of course, Winnie the Pooh. The Jungle Cruise, that is one of my favorites for sure. Peter Pan, Stitch. We really wanted to meet Stitch, but it was something we didn't have time to do on this trip, so that's definitely on our bucket list for next time. And we did make it through the Haunted Mansion. There's a few more medallions. A neat item for Pirates of the Caribbean, and then an embossed paper. Oh, that represents It's a Small World, which is one of my favorites. We did not do the teacups, but that is a super cute teacup embellishment. And then a park card. I did get my first taste of Dole Whip, and there are some matte stack type papers that can be cut up for embellishments. I'm going to link to this kit on Etsy. In case you want to check it out. I just think it's going to be super fun to scrapbook our Disney trip using these kits, and I wanted to share this with you. And check out the shop on Etsy. I've bought a couple things from this lady's shop, and I think it's worth checking out. Until next time, keep on scrapping, everybody.